Hey everyone, it's me Ayushi. Welcome back to my channel. So, I thought to make a 3D art today, and I also want to try my hand on air dried clay for a long time. As we all know that Ganesh Chaturthi is coming, so today I will be making Ganpati using air dry clay that I never ever done before. This is the very first time that I am going to try this art. So yes, I am a little bit nervous and way too excited at the same time, and I hope the result comes out really well and you guys will like it. And now let's get into the video. So this is my air dry clay which I brought from Michael, and this is the tub of 1.1 kg and it's costed me somewhere around $4. It claims that it's a white clay, so let's open it. Look at this guys, it's not that white, but I think after the clay has dried then we can get the white color maybe. This is my first time, so I also don't know how these clays are actually work. By the way, these are my clay tools. I don't have any fancy tools or anything. I am going to create my artwork or my Ganpati, whatever things are available in my home. Anyway, here I take a small amount of clay and this is going to be the base of my Ganpati. And for the final finishing touch, I will using a brush and of course water so that our base gets smooth. After smoothing out our base, here I attach all the body parts of Ganpati one by one and starting with the legs. For now, I will only make the structure of the Ganpati. I will not do any detailing to it now. Once everything done, after that I will do the detailing. Anyway guys, if you are wondering how is the texture of the clay, so let me tell you that it's not so sticky or not so dry, but the only thing is it is get dry really fast, so it's like a challenge to work with this clay. Okay, so now moving on, I am going to attach the head of the Ganpati with the body, and for that I will put a wooden stick and then I attach the head so that the head won't be moved in future. For the hand, I make two clay rolls and gently attach to the body. And now it's time to add some detailing to the Ganpati so that our Ganpati looks really good, like fingers and the jewelries, and the most important thing is the rat or mushak. This is the first time when I make this tiniest rat. I really don't think whether I make any tiniest things. This is such a cute. As you can see, the process till now is really easy, but for now our basic structure is ready and it took almost a night to dry up completely. And now we are good to go. We will apply paint on it, and for that, yes, here I am using my all-time favorite acrylic colors to paint my Ganpati. I always prefer to put a white base before applying any color, so here I use normal white acrylic color, and after that I will use three of this color, red, yellow and white, for the skin color. And now I quickly apply this color on my Ganpati. For Ganpati's hair I use brown color, and for the lotus I use red and white color. As I said in the beginning that I don't have any fancy stuff, I will make today Ganpati using only available ones. So I have a new clear nail polish, so I use it instead of varnish. It is also gives a glossy effect to the Ganpati. And finally my Ganpati is going to be completed and it's look absolutely pretty. So here is my cute little Ganpati ji. I like it. It's absolutely pretty. You guys let me know how do you like this process, and if you haven't subscribed my channel then do it right now because I bring such fun videos every week. If you like my video then do like it now and share with your friends. And this is for today, and I will see you again with a new video. Till then, take care and tata.